Hello, this is Dale, and this is a special blog that I'm putting out to talk about a very profitable trade all my subscribers profited from, and that was a put on TLT where we made 192%. And I'm going to show you the chart and why I got in and why I got out. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a brokerage firm. Our instruction is for educational purposes only. The platform I use is thinkorswim. I'm not affiliated with thinkorswim, but I think it's an excellent platform. One of the things I look for on ETFs, which are short-term trades, usually the weeklies, is I use the regression channel. The regression channel, the line is calculated by 50% of the price being above, 50% below, so it's an excellent trend line. Then I put on the plus or minus 1 standard deviation. 66% of all prices are contained within that. And then the plus or minus 2 standard deviations, 95% of all prices contained within that. On the very short term, looking at 10 days, 15 minutes, you can get a really good feel for when it is overbought and when it is oversold. This last trade we had on TLT, we got in right here because we had taken the TLT trade from down here all the way up here. Now the reason I did that is because I was following the Fibonacci's. The Fibonacci's can be drawn by going from the low to the intermediate high to the higher low. And the ones I use are the 127, the 161, and the 261 to show me where the trades are overextended. This trade showed that it was overextended right around 120.22. And it sat there and it tried to make another measured move to the top, but then finally failed right here. There was a reason to sell TLT right around this area. That is, it was overextended on the upside, and we got out of the call and got into the put because not only was it overextended on the Fibonacci's, but it was between the plus 1 and plus 2 on the regression channel, so it was overbought. We got into this trade at the end of the day here and took it all the way down, and last night to all my members I said, this trade we need to get out tomorrow morning. It had come all the way down to the 261 Fibonacci. It was down to the minus 1. It was oversold. That was a good call because before the market opened it had dropped all the way down to here, and we exited the trade. This trade resulted in a 192% gain in 2 days. But that was followed behind 160% gain in 4 days. This is the power of the ETFs. This is also the power of my nightly video blog. I do the blog every Sunday through Thursday, and it's posted right around 5 o'clock. These are emailed to you directly. If you would have had 10 contracts on TLT, which is a modest investment of $1,400, you would have gotten out with the value of $2,680. That $1,280 profit is enough to pay for my service for 2 full years. My service is only $49.99 a month, recurring. You can cancel at any time. It has a guarantee, a 1-month guarantee. If you don't like it, you just can get out. But every night I talk about theta trades, selling premium on the big boys over here. I talk about the ETF trades. I talk about directional trades on our financially strong stocks. I have priced this so that anybody can take advantage of it. I have been trading for 35 years. I am a professional. This is how I make my living. I also have my own hedge fund. I want to offer this service to you. I want to teach you how to do this. By following me every night, you will learn these techniques. Not only that, when you first sign up, you'll have access to a 2-hour video of which I talk about all my trading strategies. Please join me. Thank you.